Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a member or how to remove an employee from Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all we will be needing to do is to simply go to our working space settings and from there we can manage the members from there. So all we need to do is to go to our working space and basically we will be needing to go to settings. So here we will find tools and settings, and here we have this modal dialog or this pop-up menu, and we will be needing to go again to another menu, which is the tools and settings menu, and from there we will be able to start managing our members. So here you can have like the workspace settings where you can have like permissions and stuff, but we are not interested in that. All we are needing to do is to simply go to the tools and settings and go to manage members, and from here you will be able to start managing your members. So as you can see, I'm the only member here and I'm basically the owner of the workspace. But all you will be needing to do is to simply go here in the 3 point icon or choice or button. And from here, you will be able to manage your members. And you will be needing just to click on remove or just to click on delete. And by that, you will be able to deactivate in others people or your members account or access to your working space. And by that, you will be able to start controlling totally your working space. And from there, you can also start like adding people by inviting them from also the tools and settings. And you will be able to start like inviting people from here and manage them here. And you can also start managing the permissions as we saw here. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.